Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create a Roblox account. Whether you're new to the platform or helping someone get started, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to download the Roblox app. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, head over to the App Store. For Android devices, visit the Google Play Store. Simply search for Roblox, download the app, and wait for it to install. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your account. Start by entering your birthday. This step is important because Roblox uses your age to determine appropriate settings and content for your account. Next, create a unique username. Choose something fun and memorable, but avoid using your real name for privacy reasons. If your chosen username is already taken, try adding numbers or a creative twist to make it unique. After that, set up a strong password. Make sure it's secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, you'll have the option to select your gender. This step is completely optional and can be skipped if you prefer. Once all the fields are filled out, tap on Sign Up. Congratulations! Your Roblox account is now created. You can start exploring the platform, customizing your avatar, and diving into countless games and experiences. To enhance your experience further, consider verifying your email address or linking a phone number for added security and easier account recovery. That's it. You're all set to embark on endless adventures in the Roblox universe. Have fun exploring and creating in this amazing virtual world.